Want to get more out of 7-Zip than simply opening zip files? In this guide, I'll show you the essential features you need to master 7-Zip in 2026. We'll cover compression, extraction, encryption, file splitting, and a few useful settings. So let's get started. First, open 7-Zip File Manager. The interface is pretty simple. You have your folders and files in the main window, while the toolbar gives you quick access to actions like add, extract, copy, move, and delete. You can also navigate directly to any folder using the address bar. To create an archive, select the files or folders you want to compress and click Add. Choose a file name, then select the archive format. For the best compression, 7-Zip is usually the format to try. You can also adjust the compression level, dictionary size, and other options depending on how much compression you need. To extract an archive, select it and choose Extract. You can extract everything to a specific folder, or open the archive first and select only the files you need. Yeah, this is especially useful when you don't want to unpack an entire archive just to grab one file. Need to protect sensitive files. When creating an archive, look for the encryption section. Enter a strong password, then confirm it. For 7-Zip archives, 7-Zip supports AES 256 encryption. Keep your password somewhere safe, because losing it can mean losing access to the protected files. If an archive is too large to send or store as one file, you can split it into smaller volumes. In the Add to Archive window, use the Split to Volumes option and choose a size, such as 1 GB. 7-Zip will create numbered parts that can be handled separately. 7-Zip can also integrate with Windows Explorer, making common tasks much faster. Right-click an archive or a group of files and look for the 7-Zip options. From there, you can quickly compress, extract, or open files without launching the full file manager. Finally, keep 7-Zip updated. The official site currently lists version 26.02 for Windows, released in June 2026. Updates can include bug and security fixes, so using the latest version is a good habit, and that's the core of mastering 7-Zip. You can compress and extract files, create encrypted archives, split large archives, and work directly from Windows Explorer. Once you get familiar with these tools, 7-Zip becomes a really useful everyday utility. Thanks for watching.